Welcome back to the OpenVINO channel. We've talked about the Movidius VPU Vision Processing Unit. Please check video 27 and 28. You can find the Movidius latest VPU chip called Myriad-X in multiple form factors from various suppliers. This, for example, is the Newell Compute Stick, the NCS2. I treat it more as a development platform. This, for example, is an M.2 add-on card with one Myriad-X, but you can get ones with 2, 3, or 4 chips. And this is the Intel Vision Accelerator. We call it HDDL for High Density Deep Learning. It is a PCIe device. It has 8 Myriad-X, 8 VPUs on a single board. There is another Vision Accelerator by Intel based on ARIA 10 FPGA. Don't get confused. This one has 8 Myriad-X. You can read all about the various designs in this link. The building block of HDDL is Myriad-X. About 2 watt power consumption, small memory footprint, FP16, small batch size. Now just multiply that by 8 to get HDDL. But it does not mean that you have a big memory footprint device now. You have 8 small memory footprint devices. I always say that if a Myriad-X is a motorcycle, and now that you have 8 of them, you do not have a big truck. You have 8 motorcycles. And this is important to understand. Think high inference rate of SqueezeNet or ResNet, not VGG16. The network supported by HDDL will be the same supported by Myriad-X. We'll check the performance next video, but you can expect to get, on most topologies, 8x the performance of one Myriad-X. If a Myriad-X can give you 35 frames per second on ResNet 50, an HDDL card will give you 280 FPS. The first stage is, of course, to properly connect the HDDL card. Make sure the fans are connected. Depend on the HDDL version you're holding. Mine is generating a nice green light to indicate it's well connected. Let's try to install. Make sure the OpenVINO environment is set. We need to first make sure that the Myriad plugin is supported. Under Install Directory, Install Dependencies, you will find the installation script, install_ncs udev rules. And the Myriad-X device is supported. HDDL installed here is where everything related to HDDL is located. We just go there, install all the dependencies, which I have already installed, go to drivers and run the setup. You might need to run it a little different with an install command run -h to see how. Now when I type ls-usb, I can see the 8 Myriad-X devices, which could be treated as separate 8 Myriad-X's or as a one HDDL card. I'll show you on the next video. Now, just to make sure the card is working, let's go to Deployment Tools /demo and run any of the demos with -HDDL. You can see that the HDDL plugin is working and the sample is running, which is a good indication that the HDDL card is properly installed. And now a few tips that will make your life with the HDDL much simpler. It is sometimes not trivial to understand if the card is up and running. So a good practice is to see if the HDDL daemon is up and running. I will look for processes with HDDL, and you can see that the HDDL daemon is working. If you want to make sure it is not running, just kill the process. And now, only my grep command is related to HDDL, the daemon is not working. To rerun it, go to the HDDL directory, /bin, and run the HDDL daemon. You can see how the 8 devices are being booted one by one and ready to work. So we saw how to install and set up the HDDL device, how to run a demo to verify it's working, and how to make sure it is up and running. Next video, I'll show you some tricks how to monitor the device status, how to debug the performance, and more. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.